Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language setting on Webull. If you prefer seeing Webull's interface in a language you understand better, you can easily switch the language setting. This works for both mobile app and desktop version, so just follow along the steps. First of all, launch open the Webull application on your device, and from the home page after logged in, tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Under Shortcuts, tap on Settings. From the Settings menu that appears on the screen, tap on General. Under General, select Language. Now, choose the available language options from the menu. Select any other display language setting and you will then be able to change the language immediately. You can always come back to the same menu and repeat this step if you want to return back to the previous language as well. So that is how you can easily change the language setting in the Webull application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.